Welcome everyone, this is Roshmi on behalf of Roshmi's Boutique. Today's episode is entirely based on cotton saree and khadi cotton. You are getting 10% flat discount on all the sarees. So let's start. I will start with a cotton applique. Just see, this is red color, a white color with red and yellow combination. Very eye soothing for this summer and comfortable material also. The price is 1400, only 1400. This is the entire look of the saree. Price is 1400. You will get a stripe which is in the weaving only, and these all are machine applique, definitely machine applique, and the price is 1400. You will get 10% flat discount on all the sarees which I am showing today. Booking number 9330866384. Moving to the next one, saree number 2. Similar type with different color combination. This is saree number 2. All are very comfortable material as for this summer. These all are very comfortable. The same saree with different color combination. The applique is also same. You are getting this with a green and yellow combination. Just check. This is palla part. This portion will go for the palla. Now this one is with zari check. This is the body part. Base color is white, but it is not a milk white. You can say off white with this type of applique work. Price is only 1400, on which you will get 10% discount. That is 140 rupees discount you will get. This saree do not have any blouse piece. Price is only 1400 with 10% discount with free shipping. Moving to the third one. This is beige color, or you can say sandalwood with red combination. This is another applique work. This discount will continue till 14th of March. So those who want to purchase sarees on a discounted rate, please go through. This is saree number 3, sandalwood with red color. You will get this type of temple work, piping of cotton material all over the saree. This will be the entire look. The price is same, only 1400, on which you will get 10% flat discount. This is the entire look of the saree. Entire look of the saree. For booking, take the screenshot or mention the saree number. Booking number is 9330866384. Moving to saree number 4. It is peach color with white color applique work. This one is also 1400. This one, the cost of this saree is also 1400. These sarees do not have any blouse piece, but you will get a flat 10% discount on all the sarees. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit or credit card link, or through net banking, and I will send you the saree through courier. COD is available only within Kolkata. This is the entire look of the saree. For booking, take the screenshot or mention the saree number. Now I will show you some hand block printed sarees which are very much demanding, and see, these all are very elegant sarees. Just see, palla part with maroon color block print you are getting. This is the palla part all over. It's a zari check tant, Bengal tant. All are 100% cotton with 120 count thread count. This is the entire look. Zari checks are there. This is the border. Entire body is without any work. You will get both side border, and this is the palla. But these all are very soft, comfortable and good material. Price is 1850. There is also no blouse piece. If you want any blouse piece, you have to pay more. For that you can inquire me while booking. You please mention that. This is the look of the saree. Saree number 5. For booking, take the screenshot. Price is 1850. Another one, I will show you one more tant block. This is also very pretty. Just check. This is palla part. This portion is for palla. This is also a pure cotton sari, and the rest half you will get this type of block print which goes diagonally. See, this is the look. This is the look of the sari. Light green color palla part. This one is also very pretty, and if you want any blouse piece along with the saris, you have to write separately. I will arrange. This is also 1850. Another one, it's a combination of blue with blue, because dark blue and light blue has been used in this sari. Just check palla part. This portion is for palla. You will get this paisley block in the palla part, and then this design will go throughout the lower border of the sari. Just see, it will go throughout the lower border of the sari, and it's a very pretty one, very pretty one. It's a combination of turquoise blue with royal blue. Just see, palla part, and it is the entire look of the sari, and entire body with another different type of block. Price is same, 1850. For booking, take the screenshot or mention the sari number. Requesting all of you to put some comments. Those who are watching me for the first time, please subscribe my channel. This is sari number. This is sari number, I think 8. Sari number 8. All are khadi cotton, pure khadi cotton. Just see, you are getting Ganga Jamuna border in this sari. I will show you this palla. Actually, there is no such work in the palla. You will get but the material is very soft, very comfortable, and just see, for regular use you can use this sari. It's a Ganga Jamuna border, blue, green with blue, and the base color is also a light green color, leaf green color, you can say, light leaf green color. There are motifs on weaving throughout the body, and the price for this one is also 1850, 1850. Moving to the next one, these all are pure khadi cotton. There is no mixing material, all are pure cotton material. What I am showing today, all are pure cotton, pure 100% cotton. This one is also 1850, and you are getting 10% discount on all the saris. I forgot to mention in earlier saris also, you are getting 10% discount on all the saris. This is another khadi cotton. Just see, another khadi cotton. Just have a look. It's a chocolate brown with red border. Chocolate brown with red border. It's very comfortable one. These saris are very comfortable for regular use. Price is 1850, and you are getting 10% flat discount on all these saris. This discount will continue till 14th April. Moving to the next one, requesting all of you to put some comments, share with your friends, relatives and colleagues, and please write few words for the saris. This is another one. It's a black and red combination, similar type of palla. What I am showing, these all are just different color combination. This is black with red maroon border. This is not actually red, this is maroon border with this type of buta. These all are weaving. These all are weaving. Material is khadi cotton, pure khadi cotton. Price is 1850 with a very light weight, and you will get 10% discount on all these saris. Moving to the next one, number 11. This is another one. You will get some border also in this sari. This is also black, but just see the work of the sari. Black color with red border, and you are getting this type of motifs on weaving throughout the border, yellow color. It's a combination of black, red, yellow. All are on weaving. These buttas are also on weaving. This is the entire look. Price is same 1850, on which you will get flat 10% discount, that is 185 rupees with free shipping. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit or credit card link or through net banking, and I will send you the sari through courier. Shipping is free all over India. COD is available only within Kolkata. Now sari number 12. Sari number 12. It's a very pretty color. It's a shade of green with this type of weaving. Just see. This is the palla part. This portion will come for the palla. Entire body. You will get this type of owl motif in weaving. This is owl motif in weaving. Entire look of the sari. Price is same 1850, and on which you will get flat 10% discount. This is the entire look of the sari. Moving to the next one. For booking, take the screenshot or mention the sari number. Requesting all of you to put some comments, share with your friends, relatives and colleagues. This is another one. I like this sari very much. It's a very pretty one. Just see the sari once. I will definitely drape and show you the draping view, but you must see the sari with this type of view. Just see. It's a cotton one, and the khadi cotton, and the price is same 1850. This border is red, this border is yellow, and entire thing is on weaving. What I am showing you today, all are weaving. Price is 1850, on which you will get 10% discount. This is the entire look of the sari. Moving to the next one. I will show you some Begumpur cotton. Earlier also these all are very famous for summer. So Begumpur is a place of West Bengal. I will in which place this Begumpur saris are particularly weaved. See, it's a grey, base color is grey with Ganga Jamuna border, that is Rani, upper border is Rani color and the lower border is orange color. I will show you the draping view. Just see. Prices, these all are very comfortable material. Those who have taken earlier, on last year also many one have taken this type of saris. These all are very comfortable material with a very lightweight. Price is 2050, on which you will get 10% discount. Moving to the next one, number 15. This one is very bright color with yellow, green with yellow combination. See, palla part. This will be the palla part. An entire body. You will get this type of border and stripes. All are weaving. Price is 2050, on which you will get 10% flat discount. 2050 is the price, on which you will get 10% flat discount. Booking number is 9330866384. Another grey color but with a different color combination. This one is also with Ganga Jamuna border. Just see. These all are Begumpur cotton. This is yellow color, this is red or maroon color. Entire look. For booking, take the screenshot or mention the sari number. Sari number, this is 16. Price is 2050, on which you will get flat 10% discount. For booking, take the screenshot or mention the sari number. Requesting all of you to put some comments and share with your friends, relatives and colleagues. This is last one of Begumpur and it's very beautiful. very beautiful, I must say. This is a combination of pink and orange. This is a combination of pink and orange. Palla part, entire look of the sari, very pretty one. Price is same, 2050. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit or credit card link, or through net banking, and I will send you the sari through courier. Shipping is free all over India. COD is available only within Kolkata, and the booking number is 9330866384.